on a dress up, on a glue up for the one here. Auntie Donna, aka One Planka Bass, presents Planka Nation Shades of Pink Brunch, Sunday, October 27, 12 noon to 5 p.m. Right down on one part over Chateau Mar Golf Resort, 3,501 Inverary Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 333-199. Admission, $150 plus tax. And live entertainment by Sons of Maestro Jazz Group and C-Roy the Entertainer. Put on the dancing shoes and come boogie with us boogie. So, on a book that date here, set that time here. Ladies, roll out in on a nice pretty pink dandan and fandangles. Gentlemen, a touch of pink will do. On a don't come out looking like a Pepto-Bismol, you know. So, roll out the whole on a gingeration. All young, middle-aged, sickly, and lazy. If them bed bound, roll them out. And if them wheelchair bound, roll them out for your day full of fun, excitement, laughter, and festivity. Make sure someone take on a wash out from early for food galore, appetizers, main course, desserts, and beverages. Number to call is 954-534-4852. 954-534-4852. Tickets are available at www.worldwindlive.net. Oh, wait, pan. On an already yet. Embassy, fly the gate, free me up. Florida, me a come. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Wagwan, wagwan, how they do, happy Sunday. Big up and bless up on a nice, clean, good self. Yes, my love, so I could talk. Alright, so what are the reasonings, my love? Yeah, I advise my opinion, right, pertaining to, you know, still one lady, and yeah, me talk a little bit about the brunch because all of a sudden now we are serious. Everybody and them entire generation I run out. Everybody have something to say about this brunch. Just what they added World Dog and a couple other people else will follow back at him. And when me think say cool down and people start mind their business, more roaches, cockroaches, rodent, rats, all kind of things still a roll out. Every post, rat, dog, every little thing from every crevice and corner I come out and not knowing the facts. That are the worst part, right? You know, them don't know the facts. Some of them just hear one idiot run out with something and them start follow. That's why them say one fool makes many. So, you don't want to tell me now, say, so much idiots out here believe, say, is a plate of food the people them I get for $150? No, sir. Maybe I say one more smarter rush out. I suppose two of them rush out. Yeah, two more, one woman and one man. So every day a new one rise up. Every day a new one rise up. Then I want with you, mama. I want with you. The amount of event when me see out here advertise and you don't hear them talk about it. So I want to go on with you. I feel event they have pick for. Are you them have pick for? Lady D. And you see the worst part right now, my loves, it doesn't even make sense explaining nothing to them stupid. Because once you're stupid, you're just plain stupid. Some of them don't even read the flyers. Some don't even see the flyers, as a matter of fact. They just hear one idiot say something and then them pick it up and them run with it. But then again, sometimes you have to see with them, you know, my loves, because a whole heap of people out here not used to nothing, you know. Them only know about fish fry and barbecue. Them something that we keep around. When people are keep round robbing, then we keep one like a fish fry. Then we keep one like a barbecue. You understand? So you can get one plate of food out of $4 or like maybe $1,500. So yeah, but it's nothing too expensive. So I must have something like that across their mind. Yeah, so hence the reason now them a ball out $150 for a plate of food. Me now buy one plate of food for $150. And you see some of uno man, it's like uno wear G-string tongue or gurgle. Uno not sure about uno identity. Why uno out here buy out woman business? Why uno out here in a woman mix up? Yeah, woman come out attack is, but that's what most woman do mix up. But when you see them, your man come here, come sit down and lap their skirt with the most fi say. Hey, so man, you see uno type of man now when people listen to uno. Uno type of man when I go carry no woman go on nice fine dining, you know, fancy restaurant because no go ball say the food too expensive. Uno rather pick up one woman and carry them go down at KFC, carry them at Burger King, Wendy's, Popeye. Yeah, I just don't want for the money if spend. Uno now go pick up on a woman or a wife, carry them go on nice little fancy fine dining restaurant. Uno now do it. Can you watch the money? Yeah, man like uno mama man, uno watch the money. Uno le go for planka back. Come out a planka business. This a never phone. Uno never get no invitation. This a for planka supporters. Not for uno. And just so much know, even if she just sell a plate of food for $150, best believe say the plankers them are gonna come out and support it same way because she don't have followers, she have supporters. Them would have come out and support it same way. So what uno they in a phone crevice and corner a ball bout and a come out like uno can't flap this. Uno can't flap this. That's why them have a saying we say where bones are not provided, dogs are not invited. A planka business this. Yeah, planka brunch, not for you know. All kind of event out there come up. All kind of event out there come up and nobody not highlight it. Nobody not talk about it. Then I want with this your woman so. Eh? I want with this your woman so. I say God, every day them loves every day say what when you think say cool down. When you think say cool down, every day see somebody else come out and talk about this $150 plate of food. Like nobody did tell them say it's a plate of food for $150. You don't forget to know facts before you come out here and chat with one know. Get to know facts. Yes. Alright now, my love. So alright now. So we are going in a salon here, Lady Victoria now. Well, me not really have too much to go step on that one, yeah. You understand? Me just advise my opinion. Lady D a big woman and she have a mind of her own. Yeah. So, you know, with Siloni and Lady D, you know, a lot of us love Siloni and we enjoy her wittiness, her comedic side. You know the entertainment, yeah, we love that. But you know, she has done a lot in the past. She betrayed Lady D, tell her Panara and so on. Because of that, many donors or supporters now go forgive Siloni. In no matter what Lady D say or what Lady D do, them hang on upon it, them now go forgive her. But the thing is now, Lady D loves Siloni genuinely. And you know, she look past all of that and she forgive her. Siloni on the other hand, yes, I can safely say Siloni love Lady D as well. I don't know how genuine her love is for Lady D, but you know she love her. But it doesn't matter how much you love somebody, right? There are limits, time and place. Yes, Siloni have a mental illness, but Siloni knows what she do. Siloni knows exactly what she's doing. And the reason why I say Siloni know what she do, when Siloni just came on the program, nobody couldn't look past Siloni and tell that Siloni was mentally ill. Nobody never know that. You understand? We never see that because Siloni conduct herself proper, right through. Every time Lady go there, them girl Lady D. Every time Lady D go there, them girl Lady D. They say this nice Siloni well put together, clean. When Siloni get her donation, nice proper thank you, and she a big up God and all of that. So you could have never look past Siloni and tell that Siloni has a mental issue up until when Siloni get the chance to move in her house. When Siloni get the key and can shake her own key, and Siloni reach in our house, and at the time they will know this here side of Siloni. We never see that this side in non-tal. Everybody did love Siloni until we find out say Siloni them out the money out of the account and the little bangarang did go down and so. You understand? So Siloni knows what she's doing and she know how to conduct herself. But guess what now? Siloni know Lady D weakness. Siloni know how to grow on Auntie Donna. No matter how much time Siloni come beg. No matter how much time she come and Lady D give her, Siloni non-stop. Because Siloni cannot be satisfied. And the moment Lady D say me nah give no more again, Siloni come and Siloni start singing, Siloni start going. And then something that you know say, Lady D find them funny so she start laugh. And entertain Siloni. And Saloni not tap and tap until she get where she want. Even the other day, you know, when Miss Phoenix was there and Saloni go on with her antics. Not for we sit down on the live and we laugh, cause me laugh myself, you understand? But while some of we enjoy Saloni and our foolishness, and everybody are gonna find it funny. And as me say already, there's a time and place with everything. And Lady D have to be careful, because if it wasn't Miss Phoenix and it was somebody else, you know, somebody who don't really know about Planka Shop or whatever, well, they might know but not know much them new to it. And the same behavior Saloni would have come with, and you know, it would have look away upon Lady D. Because no matter how Lady D talk to her, she not listen. Remember, you know, the little boy did sick, and the little baby son, he was there sick. And no matter what them said to, and no matter what them said to Saloni not listen. Saloni not listen, Saloni not take no talk. And we could have seen Miss Phoenix not find her behavior funny. So Saloni have to understand herself and just know when to be satisfied. Just listen. Me, Saloni, I try use Lady D because she knows that Donna not go say no. And as me say, Saloni know Donna weakness. She know what to do. So she know what to do for Donna go dip in her pocket gear. You understand? But Lady D, you can't continuously give Saloni money every day. So when you come, yeah, food enough, and if you want to give her any little thing else, but the money, cause remember, you know, you tell her stop the drinking, stop the smoking, stop the gambling. But you see, when you take up the money and give her, at the same thing where you tell her if you stop do, each year go do. So you basically feed her addiction. And we're not going to tell you if you run her. We're not going to tell you if you run her from your yard, Lady D, because a lot of people sit down and wait for that to run out with a whole heap of things to say. You understand? Because when it come to you, you know, Auntie Donna, people are going to always say, if you do, them are going to say. And if you not do, them are going to say. Alright, for prove again, say Saloni know what she are doing now. You know, listen, you know, when she not try this Tina. When she not try this Tina, Lady D, you know, rush her and tell her, say, no bother with it, no bother with Tina. Or touch. You know, see us fast, still want to switch her mouth. So, Lady D, only you can stop it. Not a soul else can stop it. You have to make Saloni understand herself. And make she know, say, when she dey a Planka Shop, she know down a town, her behavior down a town might be acceptable, but when she come a Planka Shop, it is not acceptable. Because you have to remember now, you know, Lady D, say, all kind of people watch you. All kind of class and caliber people watch you. And not just ghetto people. Or people like myself who love the foolishness. I love the foolishness too, yes, but as me say, time and place. Time and place, and there are limits to things. And you have to take some of the responsibility to, you know, Lady D. Because you don't broke Saloni, but you broke her bad, you know, Lady D. And you broke her bad, so you have to go broke her back out of that. We know say you love her, yes, but there's a thing called tough love. You cannot keep spoil her like that. And if you continue like this now, you know, Lady D, when the time come for you say, alright, when it get out of hand, get out of control, and you say, alright, Saloni, me I go cut you off. I'm done with you, me not give you nothing more again. You know what going to happen? The same people them, when it get in her head before make sure come out, you can't tell lie upon you. Them same people that are going to reach out to her again, and them are going to get back in her head. Yeah, because them are going to give her one little change. And Saloni no back for her money. Once she get one little change, you can lead her like a donkey with rope. So the moment when you decide now, Lady D, say you go put on your foot, and Saloni no, when you go tell her no and start give her that firm no there. And them come back again and get in her fear head at the same thing she going to do to you again. The same thing, Lady D, once bitten, twice shy. She do it already and she will do it again. You remember Upper Rushmore? Lady D? When she did keep her 9 nights during the big C time. I end up and getting a problem with the law. You understand? I should have to pay up them whole heap of money there where them did find her. And them, you know, the people them did come together and send the money come give if you care go pay. And the way how Saloni come up they so come behave with you, Lady D. The way how Saloni come up they come behave with you of all person, Lady D, Saloni. Remember them the time they say, you put the madman in the house. Saloni did that defend her money until the disrespect gets so bad where you have to send back the donors them money. And you know a whole heap of bangarang did come out after that. But you know Mr. Man there from Upper England now, him did have to send the money come down, you have to go pay. You understand? So Lady D, you have to learn to take sleep and mark that. You love Silone, but you have to love her at a distance. Yes, so she entertaining and make we laugh more time, yes. But you have to make sure you know her limits, Lady D, you know how far to go. You understand? Because when them say, you ramp with puppy, they lick your mouth. That's some hear my granny always say, you ramp with puppy, they lick your mouth. Sitting like us, so yeah. So, you know, this is my opinion. Everybody now go agree with what I say. This is my little 2 cents. Because I know someone love Silone. No matter what Silone do, you love Silone same way. But if you love Lady D, you have to understand. But you have to understand, say, even your own pitney, if them wrong, you have to make them know when them wrong. And if them need discipline, you have to discipline them. Enough time we have to show we pitney them tough love. Don't it, yeah? Enough time we have to take with things from them we know keep them happy. Take with them device and all of them sitting there. When we are trying to teach them a lesson. So you can't love a person too much where you can't discipline them when them for discipline and make them know when them wrong. You understand? Silone knows what she's doing. I'm not going to use the mental illness to make an excuse for Silone. Silone knows what she is doing. Yeah. Anyways, thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Bless upon a nice, clean, good self, and I will see you all in another video. Peace out. Much love. Later. Bye-bye.